When accessing the main editor, the first item displayed is the Project Manager. From here we can manage and control our projects, as we will see next. At the top we see a menu with different options. Let us go through them one by one. New. This option allows creating new projects. We just press the button New and a form will be displayed. We enter a unique project identifier, a description if required. Finally, press the button Save to create the new project. After a few seconds, the new project must be created and we press the button Close to finalize. If a mistake had occurred during this process, we would detect the problem by pressing the button Show Log. Export. With this option, we can export the project selected from our list. We just press the button Export. Then we define the additional information that we wish to export or not to export. A previously shared folder can be configured as the target folder for our export file. Finally, press the button Export to start the new exportation. After a few seconds, depending on the project size and the selected options, the project will be exported. In case we have not used the feature, so export into a shared folder, we must press the button Save and select the location where we wish to store the export file. Import. With this option, we can import a project that has previously been exported. We just press the button Import and a form will be displayed. Here we look for the file with the exported project. The importation can also take place by using a previously shared folder. Please remember that files bigger than 100 megabytes might not be imported. To do so, you will have to use the option of the shared folder. We select the information we wish to import among the different options available. Images. It refers to the images of the interface elements that have been uploaded to the CBSE project manually. Logs. It is the registered telegrams, events, alarms, and its calculated reduction tables. The latter is usually the largest part of the project and is not always necessary to import or export. Galleries makes references to the images that we might upload via FTP for our visual element photo frame. We enter a unique project identifying name and optionally a description. Finally, press the button Save to start the new importation. After a few seconds, the new project will be imported. After closing the panel, it appears in our list of projects. Activate. With this option, we can activate the selected project from our list. This means that the configuration, logic, schedules, alarms of the activated project will only be enabled as from this moment in time and no other. There can only be one active project at a time. In order to proceed, we select the project we wish to work with and press the button Activate. The active project is easily recognizable since it is the only colored icon in the list. Delete. With this option, we can eliminate the selected project from our list. Please note that the active project might not be deleted. Apart from that, from this panel we can perform further functions such as verify the integrity of a project, fix any given problem, and access the project's extended properties. To do so, we select a project from the list. We right-click on it and we select the appropriate option from the contextual menu. Also, we can reboot the machine from here, if it were necessary by pressing Reboot. Finally, in order to modify a project, we must just double-click on its icon or else select it and then press on the button Open Project. Thank you for your attention.